Will Monero ever hit $1,000? There have been many price predictions out there, and many of them are saying that the coin can 10 to 50x by the end of 2025. With the price currently sitting at 6 cents. In this video, we'll take a look at what the coin is, and the best price prediction by the end of the year. Now, let's get right to the video. Many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. But the coin's price will also be impacted by the crypto market's performance, and the adoption rate of and efficiency of the coin. For many people to take any coin into consideration, first we have to look at what the foundational principle is for the coin, and some of the catalysts and things that have to go right for the coin to reach those 10 to 50x numbers and how realistic those price targets can be. And we'll also take a look at a very realistic price prediction for 2025. An overwhelming number of analysts believe that the coin could go well beyond its previous all-time high considering mass adoption, an increase in retail investors, and a combination of whale accumulation. The coin has not gained much popularity, yet despite its huge potential, it's regarded as one of the best cryptocurrencies to hold. First, in the coming years, the performance of the crypto market will have an impact on the coin's price, considering the path of Bitcoin's price and the adoption rate following the implementation of network improvements. You also have to consider that we are now in a new era of cryptocurrency investments. Aside from the regular 3-year bear market to a 1-year bull market, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. So, what is Monero? Monero was launched in 2014, and its goal is simple: to allow transactions to take place privately and with anonymity. Even though it's commonly thought that BTC can conceal a person's identity, it's often easy to trace payments back to their original source because blockchains are transparent. On the other hand, XMR is designed to obscure senders and recipients alike through the use of advanced cryptography. The team behind Monero say privacy and security are their biggest priorities, with ease of use and efficiency coming second. It aims to provide protection to all users, irrespective of how technologically competent they are. Overall, XMR aims to allow payments to be made quickly and inexpensively without fear of censorship. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. There are several things that make Monero unique. One of the project's biggest aims is achieving the greatest level of decentralization possible, meaning that a user doesn't need to trust anyone else on the network. Privacy is achieved through a few distinctive features. Whereas each Bitcoin in circulation has its own serial number, meaning that cryptocurrency usage can be monitored, XMR is completely fungible. By default, details about senders, recipients, and the amount of crypto being transferred are obscured, and Monero Advocates says this offers an upper hand over rival privacy coins such as Scash, which are selectively transparent. Obfuscation is achieved through the use of ring signatures. Here, past transaction outputs are picked from the blockchain and act as decoys, meaning that outside observers can't tell who signed it. If Ian was sending 200 XMR to Susan, this amount could also be split into random chunks to add a further level of difficulty. To ensure that transactions cannot be linked to one another, stealth addresses are created for every single transaction that are only used once. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see a new all-time high of $300 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.